What if I told you becoming a millionaire isn't just for the lucky few? It's a process, one you can follow step by step. Let's break down 14 practical steps to a millionaire status with real people who've done it and the lessons you can steal today. Step 1. Set a clear financial goal. Know exactly how much you want, by when, and why. Elon Musk didn't just dream big. He set bold, specific goals to transform electric cars, space travel, and online payments. Today, he's worth about $240 billion. Clear goals create massive outcomes. Step 2. Live below your means. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men alive, still lives in the same house he bought in 1958 for just $31,500. Net worth $134 billion. Lesson: frugality speeds up wealth building. Step 3. Start investing. Early. Kevin O'Leary began investing in his 20s. Now he's worth $400 million. Lesson: compound interest is the most powerful force in finance, and it loves early starters. Step 4. Build multiple streams of income. Oprah Winfrey earns from TV, books, her own network, and smart investments, and is worth $2.8 billion. Lesson: multiple income streams multiply your wealth potential. Step 5. Start a business or side hustle. Sarah Blakely turned $5,000 into Spanx and a $1.2 billion fortune. Lesson: a small idea executed well can change your life. Step 6. Solve a problem. People will pay for. Brian Chesky created Airbnb to help people rent extra space. Now he's worth $8 billion. Lesson: find a problem, build the solution. Step 7. Learn high-income skills. Gary Vaynerchuk turned wine knowledge plus social media skills into a $250 million empire. Lesson: mastery pays millions. Step 8. Reinvest profits. Jeff Bezos reinvested Amazon's earnings into infrastructure and innovation. Now he's worth $180 billion. Lesson: reinvest today to multiply tomorrow. Step 9. Avoid bad debt. Grant Cardone uses debt to buy income-generating real estate worth $600 million. Lesson: debt can destroy or multiply wealth. Choose wisely. Step 10. Network with the right people. Damon John grew FUBU in his career through mentors and connections, now worth $300 million. Lesson: proximity to success changes your mindset and your bank account. Step 11. Create scalable systems. Mark Zuckerberg built Facebook to run on algorithms and automation. Net worth $120 billion. Lesson: don't trade time for money forever. Step 12. Continuously educate yourself. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year. Wealth $120 billion. Lesson: the more you learn, the more you earn. Step 13. Take calculated risks. Richard Branson started Virgin Atlantic by leasing a single plane, now worth $3 billion. Lesson: smart risks separate millionaires from dreamers. Step 14. Give back strategically. Chuck Feeney gave away over $8 billion during his lifetime and still lived well. Lesson: generosity builds goodwill, connections, and legacy. So, which step will you start with today? Remember, you don't need to master all 14 overnight. Start with one, then another, and watch your wealth grow. And hey, if you're serious about financial freedom, hit subscribe right now. Be one of our first 1,000 subscribers and lock in free lifetime access to all our money hacks.